Hi everyone! So today I'm going to show you the last of the video of my family and life education seminar. And here I'm going to talk about employers when they know that you have a life. So if you wish to know and read the entire research report on family responsible companies, I'm going to put the link in the description below. What happens when the boss knows the employees have a life? What if you have a good boss who realizes that you also have a life? So these are policies that I have monitored for several years. I published 3 research reports on this. What are the improvements? Basically, number 9, permission to leave the workplace due to a family emergency. No boss will tell you, wag na lang. Or nasa hospital po yung anak ko, magstay ka. It's not so Filipino, right? Now we have a lot of video conferencing and I hope you realize that it saves a lot of commuting time, right? Well, right now we are forced to just do video conferencing. For companies, they also provide professional support. I like this legal, financial, tax counseling because really families are problematic about their finances. But it's also good. I highlight this training on men and women's different working styles. I know of a woman who's so stressed with the working style of the male boss. I think it's if you go into coaching after this FLE program, it would be good to go into that particular coaching or seminar on training people about the differences between men and women. Okay, family services, if you cannot provide daycare and schools, it would be good if you at least provide information on safe, clean daycares. Non-salary benefits, very few companies have life insurance for the entire members of the family. It's only you, the employee, and the employee has to spend for the rest of the family. So very few companies, especially the big ones. But again, right now, because of the crisis, this could change. The one of the meals at the restaurants or even in the company premises, I like the idea of one company where it's free lunch, but you can see 100, 200 in the walls of the canteen that actually talks about calories. So a cup of rice could be 100 calories. So it's really more of health and wellness. Don't just eat. You have to eat intelligently. You have to think of your health. And in my research, I really monitor not simply the policies that I have shown you earlier, but how is the supervisor and how is the culture? Because sometimes it's the supervisor who never thinks that you have a life after 5 o'clock. For example, I know someone, everybody's packing up for around 4:50, 10 minutes to 5, and he said, "What are you doing?" "Sir, nagliligpit na po." That boss said, "Hindi pa kayo uwi. Hanggang alas 10 pa tayo dito." So, there are some supervisors who don't realize there are children, there's a family waiting for you. And you know some people, they arrive, some bosses arrive late, expecting, and their employees have been there at 8, they arrive in the afternoon after lunch, and they expect that the employees will follow their own schedule. So I hope we are not going to tolerate this. There could be a little bit of improvement because again, many families are affected. If that one supervisor is supervising 10 people, it's 10 families, no? That can be ruined because of that workaholic, long working hours. And then there's also a culture, no? There are some people who don't like working with women because, again, they are absent all the time. They are not productive. There's a negative culture. So I monitor this, and I'll just give you the research that in workplaces where there's work-life balance, people get to sleep more, they have energy after work, and they can exercise. Contrary to the polluted environment, which is the D here, these are highly polluted environment where you cannot really breathe alive at all. Comparing the companies with like A with work-life balance, D without work-life balance, there's a greater productivity in companies with greater work-life balance. So that is all for now. I actually finished all of the lectures that I'm going to give to my audience in that seminar that was entitled Careers and Work-Family Balance. I hope you liked it, and once again, I'm going to remind you that the entire research report is there in the video description below. I'll see you in the next one.